right, hello. Happy week before Thanksgiving. Today or this week for art, what you're gonna do is you're going to be drawing a turkey for Thanksgiving, but we are gonna work on sorting our colors into color groups. And so some of the color groups that we've already learned are warm and cool colors, but we haven't really done a whole lot with primary and secondary. So I want you to watch the video that I posted in this assignment about how we use our primary colors to make secondary colors. And after you watch that, then I want you to come back and do this. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video first and then come back. But I've got my primary on one side, which is red, yellow, and blue. So if I run out of red, yellow, and blue paint, there's no way to mix blue with two colors. There's no way to mix yellow with two colors, and there's no way to mix red with two colors. But if I look at my primary colors and I mix red and yellow, they make orange. And if I mix blue and yellow, they make green. And if I mix blue and red, they make purple. So by mixing two primary colors, and I remember that by primary means first, and secondary means second. If you are second in a race, you are behind the first person. So second means two, and that means you're made up of two of the primary colors, okay? So we're gonna be drawing a turkey, and then I want you to separate your feathers, primary on one side, secondary on the other side, okay? So I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna draw the turkey, and then you are going to spend your time coloring it after that. I do have a pencil this time to draw, so I'm gonna draw it in pencil first, and then I'm gonna look at my camera and make sure that it shows up for you, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the turkey's head, which I just did a circle, okay? It's not a perfect circle, and it doesn't have to be, okay? And notice my paper is side to side. I'm working landscape today because the feathers go this way, so we need more space, okay? And then I'm going to, underneath that, I'm going to draw a second circle for the body, like this. Kind of like a snowman, but he's missing the third part, okay? So now I have my turkey head and my turkey body. I'm gonna add my turkey eyes. And I usually do ovals with circles on the inside. A turkey's beak is a triangle. So I'm gonna add a triangle. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna add his wings. And his wings are gonna be on the inside, like this. And I'm just doing a curved line down. Okay, curved line down. Okay, now he needs feet. And I just do like a line with 3 lines at the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the feathers. Okay. And the feathers, I'm gonna start at the bottom, that way I know, well actually I'm gonna start at the top, that way I know I have enough room for the 3 feathers that I wanna get. If I start at the bottom and I accidentally do it too big, then I may not have room for the top. So I'm gonna start at the bottom, and I'm gonna do just like a regular curved line that way, and then a regular curved line this way. So there's 1 feather. Okay, then I can turn my paper because it's a little bit easier. Curved line, just like that. They almost look like surfboards a little bit. Curved line, curved line, curved line. Okay, so all I need is 3 on one side, right? Because all we're doing is red, yellow, and blue on one side, okay? Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna start at the top, okay? Surfboard, curved line up, curved line down, curved line up, curved line down, okay? And then the last thing he needs is his hat. I just did a straight line across the top, and I turned it into a rectangle, and then I added a smaller rectangle on the top. Oops. So if you want to add like that little buckle right there, or if you want to add decorations to the hat, you're more than welcome to. And now what you're gonna do is you are going to use your primary and secondary colors. So I'm gonna get those, and I'm gonna sort them. My red, yellow, and blue are gonna go on this side, And then my orange, green, and purple are gonna go on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna color them in that order. And then after I'm done coloring the feathers, then I can move on to the body. I picked brown for the body, and then black for the eyes, and black for the hat. If you want to do your turkey with designs on it, you're more than welcome to, but I just did mine really simple. Red, yellow, and blue on one side, orange, green, and purple. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email me. I don't get alerts from the Google Classroom if you message me, so send me a message on Dojo or email me. That's the best way to do it. All right, thanks guys, have fun, and have a happy Thanksgiving.